HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Happy Halloween, everyone! We all love to eat yummy Halloween candies. Let us draw and paint. Let's start with our first candy, a stick and a skull face to begin with. Here goes the teeth, the nose and the eyes, and some swirly lines for our candy stick. Another candy stick with Frankenstein's face. And a third candy stick with a ghost face. Boo! And a fourth candy stick that looks like a carved pumpkin. Magic! It's time to paint our Halloween candies. Purple for the skull. Yellow for the eyes and teeth. Green for the nose and for the candy stick too. And color in with orange. Done with the first candy. Let's use some brown for Frankenstein's head. And golden color for his eyes. Green for his face. And pink for his mouth. Let's paint the candy stick blue and red. Done with the second candy. Now let's paint the ghost face pink. And his mouth blue. And yellow for his spooky eyes. And for the candy stick, let's use some green and color in with orange. Done with the third one too. For the last candy stick, let us use some yellow for the pumpkin's face. And red for the candy stick and for the eyes too. Let's use pink for his mouth. And blue for his nose and other parts of the candy stick. Yay! Our Halloween candies are done. They look so cool and spooky. Happy Halloween, everyone!